This is how I created this very DIY photo shoot, video shoot background. What I did is created I think it was 5 or 6 different graphics in Photoshop, and then you want to print them off. I brought black sheets of paper. I used cardstock, but a better idea would have been to buy big poster boards. I used it kind of as the back wall since the wall wasn't black. I just taped it up. I suggest using painter's tape. I use these lights that you can get from Amazon for around $40. I just taped 2 of those to each side, which also created a nice backlight and outlined the subject actually very well. The key light we used for the face was a Nan light. You don't have to use this. I would actually suggest something better, like an actual key light, but this was what we had, so I tied it to a small stand. The backlights really helped with the lighting of the subject, so it worked out. And that's the setup. Pretty simple, very DIY. The background itself was just the paper, cost around probably 10 to 15. With lighting and no key light, it would cost around $60. Sometimes people already have lighting on them. If you're looking at this and starting from scratch, it would cost you a lot more, but if you already have a couple lights, it's a pretty cheap DIY setup. So hope this helped.